some good music. Bull. What is this bull? This better be fake. Or it's a hijack. This better be at least a hijack broadcast.
This is not a test. This alert is for all of the West Coast until further notice.
Oh crap.
NORAD has detected multiple foreign aircraft and ships heading for the West Coast.
Bruh.
These are confirmed to be military aircraft and ships. Evacuate the West Coast
war going
immediately.
on? I live in the West
visiting
Coast.
from another state, head back to that state.
Well, shoot. Well, I don't know what I should do now because I live here. I live in the West Coast. What do I do? Yeah. What the heck? What in the? What is going on outside? Okay, I'm scared.
We interrupt normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt normal programming. This is a national emergency.
Dang.
Important instructions will follow.
Okay. I'm scared. What do I do?
We are being invaded by Russian troops. You need to shelter in place now.
The question is, where should I go? Because I mean, whoa, hold up. What this?
The United States is currently winning the war against Russia and other communist countries. There is no need to shelter in place.
Are you sure? I don't know about that. I don't know. I don't know if it's true.
Surrender if you are approached by Russian soldiers. America will fall. America will fall. America will fall.
No. No, America can't fall yet. What do I do?